Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a DIY emergency breathing aid. This guide is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for medical equipment. First, collect your materials. A clean, empty 2-liter plastic bottle, about 3 feet of flexible tubing, and a piece of elastic band, roughly 20 inches long. You will also need a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife, and a strong, non-toxic adhesive or tape. Always prioritize safety when handling sharp objects. Now let's prepare the mask base. Take your clean plastic bottle and carefully cut off the bottom portion, leaving a section that can comfortably cover the nose and mouth. Aim for a section about 4 to 5 inches tall. After cutting, use sandpaper or a file to smooth any sharp edges, ensuring it will be comfortable against the face. Next, on opposite sides of the mask, near the top edge, make 2 small holes, each about 1/8 of an inch in diameter, for attaching the elastic band. Moving on, we will attach the tubing and straps. Create a small hole, approximately 1/4 inch in diameter, near the bottom center of your plastic mask piece. Insert one end of your flexible tubing into this hole and secure it tightly with your adhesive or tape, ensuring an airtight seal. Then, thread each end of the 20-inch elastic band through the small holes you made on the sides of the mask. Tie the ends securely, creating a loop that will go around the back of the head for a stable fit. Finally, some crucial safety notes. This DIY breathing aid is strictly for temporary, emergency situations and is not designed for medical oxygen delivery. It cannot provide the precise oxygen concentration or sterile environment of professional medical equipment. Always prioritize seeking immediate professional medical assistance for any breathing difficulties. This guide is for educational purposes, emphasizing the importance of preparedness in non-critical scenarios, and should never replace expert medical care.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.